You will not believe the mind-boggling easy earning method that I will be teaching you today. Something so simple that even I couldn't believe it at first. But this is 100% legitimate, and I'll even show you some proof. Today, I will show you how you can earn money through something easy: clicking things. It's literally a no-work job, and you'll earn money just by clicking things. I will get into more specific later, because if you do this correctly, you might just change your life and earn a little cash at the side. Don't worry, in this method, there's no selling required. You don't have to make people buy anything. There are no referrals needed, and it's not a link shortening website. You don't have to make people click stuff. Only you need to. This is not an MLM or affiliate marketing of any kind. You don't even need to invest. All it needs is a little bit of your time. That's it. And when I say a little bit, it's literally just a few minutes each day. That's all. No matter which country you're from, whether you're coming from Malaysia, Indonesia, the Philippines, Thailand, or somewhere else, this is something that you'll be able to do. Comment down below which country you're from, and next time I'll be sure to make videos that you can do in your region. But don't worry, this one is definitely available worldwide. Already intrigued? Don't worry, I'll show you the step-by-step process in order to get started. It's very simple, but there are some steps that might get a tiny bit confusing, so make sure you don't skip around the video and watch the whole thing clearly. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more tips like this on our channel. Ring that notification bell and share this with all your friends, and together you can earn some money online. I know you who's watching this have a Gmail account. I'm sure you check your email every once in a while. Yes? I know sometimes it's a bit irritating seeing marketing emails or advertisement promos on your email. Sometimes you just wish you can turn it off. But what if I tell you that you can make money by receiving those emails and clicking on them? Turn something slightly inconvenient into an amazing earning opportunity. It's going to be a win-win. On this website, that's exactly what's going to happen. Before I show you the website, I want to make sure that you have a Gmail account. So head on over to Gmail and create one. If you already have one, I recommend that you make another one so that you won't have to flood your personal email with a bunch of random ads from this website. But if you're good to go, then let's skip this step and get right into the website. So what's this website? It's called clicksgenie.com. On their website, They say get paid to read emails, and they're very transparent about earnings. You will make $0.042 from every email that you click on. That may sound little, but imagine if you get the advertisements rolling and get around hundreds of emails. That money will double in no time. If you scroll down a bit, you can see more information about their website. It has a user-friendly interface. It's 100% secure. There are multiple earning options. They're very transparent about their system. There are multiple level commissions, and the website has no delays whatsoever. It's super fast. Yes, they don't even have delays with their payment. They pay you instantly every time. Once you request a payout, they will immediately transfer money to your account without delays. The best part? The minimum payout is only 0.01 cents. So there's literally no need to wait for so long trying to build your balance before you can withdraw. There are also multiple payment options, so if you want, they can even pay you through Bitcoin. On their statistics, you can see how many members ClicksGenie has in total, how many members are online, and how much money they've paid out in total. You can even check on proofs where you will see different users and how much they've cashed out from the website. Now, it's very easy to get started. Just go back to the top of the homepage and click Register. You'll be able to sign up just by inputting a few bits of information. This is 100% free and simple. No investment needed. It's absolutely amazing. All you have to do is create your unique username. Input your email address. Create a password. They also have a referrer section, but you can just skip that. Click on I'm not a robot. Then check all of these boxes and then register. You will immediately receive a verification email from ClicksGenie, and you'll have to click on Activate your account so that they can set up your account and be able to get started. Now, before you start making money on ClicksGenie, you must complete another very important step, adding ClicksGenie to your contact list. This may be the most confusing part yet because a lot of people don't know how to do it. But don't worry, I'll definitely show you the steps on how you can achieve that. To do this, just look at the top right corner of your Gmail account and you'll see an icon with 9 buttons on it. Click that and you will see a button for contacts. It will take you to Gmail's contact page where you can see your contacts or be able to create new ones. So of course, click on Create Contact. Here, you'll just have to input a few pieces of information. So for the name, just write ClicksGenie. Then on their company, write clicksgenie.com. You'll be able to find their email on their website and then just paste it on email and it's done. After that, you'll be able to receive emails from clicksgenie.com and start making money just by reading those emails. Of course, most of these emails are ads, which you might have to click every once in a while. That's how you'll make the money, of course. But isn't it better to receive ads than earn from it, rather than not? So as I've shown you, there are a lot of ways to be able to earn money online with very little effort, even if you don't have any hard technical skills. You only need to look at the right place, and that place is our channel. So watch out for more of our videos. We upload easy money making tips constantly. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I'm able to help you find a new way to make some passive income online without having to do anything. As always, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Maybe share this with all your friends and family and be able to help out others too.